Good morning to all. This is Nagul Meera. Our subject is Ppsc for first civil. In that Ppsc first unit, our topic is basic structure of C language. Okay. So today our topic is basic structure of C language. This is very important and okay. Without this topic, we can't do anything with this subject. Okay. మనం ఈ టాపిక్ తెలియకుండా అసలు మనం ఏం చేయలేమండి. ఈ సబ్జెక్ట్ మొత్తం కూడా మనకేం అర్థం కాదు. ఓకేనా. సో ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం ప్రోగ్రామ్స్లోకి ఎంటర్ అవుతున్నాం. ఓకేనా. సో లీవ్ దట్. సో సింప్లీ ఎస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ సి హియర్. సి ఈజ్ ఏ పాపులర్ లాంగ్వేజ్. C is a one of the most popular language. Okay na. So this is a pop language. What is the meaning of pop? Procedure oriented programming language. Okay na. C language consists of its own basic structure. Okay na. C language consists of its own basic structure. The structure also called as format or syntax. Okay na. So C language consists of six sections and okay na. C program consists of six sections. Okay na. Every C program need not consist of these all six sections. Okay na. నేను ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పానండి. ఓకే yesterday already told. So every C program need not consist of these all sections. Okay na.
Kuda.
Yes. Let us discuss one by one. Coming to our first section, that is documentation section. Coming to our second one, that is linking section. Next one, definition section. And next one, global variable declaration section. And next one, main function section. Okay na? Coming to our last one, that is subprogramming or function section. Subprogram or function section. These all are different sections. These all sections are sequence. Okay na? These all sections we must follow sequence order. Okay na? Coming to our first one, that is documentation section. Okay na? What is the meaning of documentation section? Okay na? Here documentation section is our first section of a C program. The main objective of documentation section is, in this documentation section we write some program objective or something logics. Okay na. Main object of program or introduction of that particular program. Why this program? So simply caption, nothing but. Okay na. So we are creating some caption for that program. Okay na. Simply we can call as objective. For example, I am developing to print my name. I am developing a program that is to print my name. So here our documentation section is print my name. Okay na. We can write a documentation section that is print my name. Okay na. Whatever maybe we can write. Okay na. Adandi. So this documentation section is not compulsory. Okay na. C program, in our C program, here documentation section is need not necessary. This is not compulsory actually. Okay na. This is not compulsory. This is the optional part. We can write or we can't write. మీ ఇష్టం, మీరు రాసుకుంటే రాసుకోండి, లేకపోతే లేదు. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కంపల్సరీ. బట్ ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్, దిస్ ఈజ్ గుడ్. ఓకేనా. మీరు రాస్తే మీకు ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ చూడగానే జస్ట్ క్యాప్షన్ అర్థమవుతుందండి. ఓకేనా. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ సెక్షన్. How do we create or how do we write documentation section in our C program? With the help of this symbol slash star. Okay na. Here documentation section and end is star slash. Okay na. Using this symbol we can develop or we can write documentation section in the C program. Okay na. So simply here example. Okay na. Slash star my first program. For example, I want to create my first program. Okay na. So my documentation section is my first program star slash. Okay na. So this means documentation section is created. Okay na. Adandi. So whenever we execute, this particular section is not executed. Okay na. This particular section is not executed. This particular section not displayed in our output. This is only for user purpose. మనకు అర్థం అవడానికి మాత్రమే. Okay na. That's why this is a optional. We write or we need not write. Okay na. This is the meaning of documentation section. Okay na. Coming to our linking section. This is a must. Okay na. This section is must in C language. So what is the meaning of linking section? In this linking section, okay na, in this linking section we write some header files. Okay na. We write some header file specification. Yes. What is the meaning of this? For example, hash include stdio.h. Yes, what is the meaning of this? Hash include means we are including standard input output files in our program. Okay, the standard input output files in our program. Okay, we must write this section is must in every C program. Okay, so this is the compulsory. Okay, without this particular header section, linking section, we can't execute C program. This is compulsory. Okay, that there are different types of header files are there. Okay, so let us discuss later. Okay, then coming to our third one, that is definition section. Definition section, what is the meaning of this here? Definition section is not compulsory. This is optional. Okay, definition section is a optional again. Okay, so what is the meaning of your definition section? Here in this definition section we declare some constants or some values. Okay, so for example I want to declare some max 25. For example here max is my constant. My entire program, whenever we use max, okay, 25 value is substituted automatically. For that purpose this definition section is usable. Okay, adanni example is hash define max 25. Hash define is the syntax here. Max is a variable actually. Okay, not variable, act as variable. Okay, adanni hash define is the syntax. Max is nothing but constant. In that max place we can write our own. Okay, 25 is nothing but value. So మీరు ఎక్కడైతే మ్యాక్స్ యూజ్ చేశారో అక్కడ 25 సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ అవుతూ ఉంటుందండి. ఓకేనా, దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ డెఫినేషన్ సెక్షన్. దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కంపల్సరీ. ఓకేనా, దాన్ని నెక్స్ట్ వన్ గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్ సెక్షన్. ఓకేనా, ఎస్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ గ్లోబల్ వేరియబుల్ డిక్లరేషన్ సెక్షన్? ఎస్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో నాట్ కంపల్సరీ. దిస్ ఈజ్ optional. Okay, this section is optional. What is the meaning of global variable? Okay, here in this global variable section we define a variable as a global. Okay, so what is the meaning of global? For example, if we define this section, that particular variable is used in entire program. మన ప్రోగ్రామ్ మొత్తం కూడా ఏదైనా వేరియబుల్ యూజ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకోండి, దట్ వేరియబుల్ ఈజ్ డిక్లేర్డ్ యాజ్ గ్లోబల్. ఓకేనా, ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ మనం చూస్తామండి. ఓకేనా, ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చూస్తే మనకు అర్థమవుతుంది. ఓకేనా, అదండి. మరి ఎక్కడికి డిక్లేర్ చేస్తారు? వేర్ దిస్ గ్లోబల్ సెక్షన్ ఈజ్ డిక్లేర్డ్? These global variables must declare before the main after the header files. Okay, after the header files, before the main, these global variables are declared. Whenever we declare this global variable, that particular variables are used entire program. Okay, entire program. Yes, example so man chustamanడి. Okay, yes, here simple example is example int I. Okay, so what is the meaning of int I? Here I is a variable. I is a variable that can store some value. That is the type of integer. Okay, that is the type of integer. Already we discussed storing of integers. Okay, so what is the meaning of storing of integers? So simply integer values. What is the meaning of integer values? 0, all positive numbers, all negative numbers. Okay, 2 to the power of 32 minus 1, that much of range we can store this particular integer. Okay, అదండి. So here this int I is defined before the main after the header files. Okay, now whenever this particular variables defined before the main function, that particular variable is called as global variable declaration. This is also optional. Okay, now if we program required global variable, then only we define this particular global variables. Okay, now so this is also optional. Coming to our next one, that is main function section. This is very important. Okay, now this is very important. Every program must consist of main. Every program must consist of one main. Okay, now more than one mains, that is our program is not correct. Okay, now every C program consists of only one main function. That is must. Okay, now every C program consists of only one main program. Okay, main function actually. Okay, one main function. Yes, what is the meaning of this? Simply main function is used to tell the compiler where to start execution from. అదండి. So simply program consists of different blocks, nothing but different sections. Here main function is used to tell the compiler where to start. మన ప్రోగ్రాంలో డిఫరెంట్ సెక్షన్స్, ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ సిక్స్ సెక్షన్స్ చూస్తున్నాం కదా. ఆ 6 సెక్షన్స్లో ఎక్కడి నుంచి నా ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలో చెప్పేదే ఈ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ అండి. ఎవ్రీ సి ప్రోగ్రామ్ మస్ట్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్, ఓకేనా, మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్, వన్ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఓన్లీ. దిస్ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు టెల్ ది కంపైలర్ వేర్ టు స్టార్ట్ ది ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకేనా, అదండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ నథింగ్ బట్ మెయిన్. ఎవ్రీ సి ప్రోగ్రామ్ మస్ట్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ one main program. Okay, here our syntax is main. Okay, open brace, close brace, open brace, close brace, and then okay na. So again open brace. Here there are important statements. మనం ఏవైనా స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మనం ఏదైతే ప్రింట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నామో ఆ స్టేట్మెంట్స్ మొత్తం రాస్తాం, and then close. Okay, అదండి. So main function consists of two sections and two subsections. Main program consists of two subsections. What are those? First one is declaration section. Declaration section. In this declaration, we have to declare all the variables like global variables. Okay, now global variables are declared before the main, but here some variables are declared in the main. That variables are called as local variables. Okay, now simply declarational variables. Simply declaration variables are nothing but declare the variables in the program in the main function. Simply these variables are called as local variables. Okay, na? So these variables are used within the main function only. ఓకేనా, మనం ఆల్రెడీ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ చూస్తామండి ఇవన్నీ. ఓకేనా, కమింగ్ టు అవర్ సెకండ్ సబ్సెక్షన్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ సెక్షన్. ఓకేనా, సో మెయిన్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ another subsection that is main function consists of another subsection that is executable section. What is this? So in this executable section, what are the tasks actually performed we need. Okay na, so మనకి ఏవేవైతే ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలో, ఏవేవైతే టాస్క్స్ని ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయాలో అవన్నీ ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జిక్యూటబుల్ సెక్షన్లో రాస్తామండి. ఓకేనా, అదండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ అబౌట్ అవర్ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్. సింప్లీ మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ కంపల్సరీ. మెయిన్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ main function is used to tell the compiler where to start the execution from. Okay, every C program consists of main function, only one main function. Okay na, main function consists of two subsections. First one is a declaration section, next one is executable section. Declaration section is used to declare the variables. Okay na, declare the variables. These variables are called as local variables. Okay na, coming to our executable section. In this is, what is the meaning of this? This executable section is nothing but what are the tasks performed in our program. Okay na? These all are used here. This is nothing but executable function. This is about our main function. Okay na? అదండి. Coming to our last section, that is a subprogram or function section. Okay na? This is also optional. ఓకేనా. సో మనం ఇది రాస్తే రాయొచ్చు, అవసరం లేదండి. ఇది కంపల్సరీ రాయాలంటే రాయని అవసరం లేదు. ఓకేనా, సో డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ అవర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. డిపెండ్స్ అపాన్ అవర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ దీస్ సబ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ ఆర్ యూజ్డ్. ఓకేనా, సబ్ ఫంక్షన్స్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాం. మరి ఏం చేస్తుంది ఇది చూద్దాం. ఓకేనా, దిస్ సబ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఈజ్ యూజ్డ్ టు పర్ఫార్మ్ సమ్ స్పెషల్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇన్ ది ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకేనా, సమ్ స్పెషల్ ఆపరేషన్ ఇన్ ది main program. This is not necessary. Okay na, whenever we want to create this subprogram. Okay na, simply these all are different sections of C program or C language. Okay na, so here there are six sections are there. In that, two sections are compulsory. Okay na, two sections are compulsory. What are those? First one is second one, that is linking section second one. Okay na, linking section is compulsory. Okay na, without linking section we not create any C program. Okay na, the linking section. What is the main objective of linking section? In this linking section we are define some header files, hash include stdio dots, like this. Okay na, then coming to our second main part, that is main function. Okay na, without main function that is not C program. Okay na, then if we want to create C program, we must use this main function. Okay na, then so second section and fifth section is compulsory for C program. Remaining 1, 3, 4 C optional. Okay na? And then when we require, we use these sections in our program. Okay, this is about our basic structure of C language. Basic structure of C language. Okay, then real time example. Yes. So simple. Okay, this is our first program, and this is our first program. Simple C program. Okay, simple C program. Yes, in this we want to create a welcome to C program message. Okay, in this. So what is the main objective of this program? Using this program, we want to create a message that is welcome to C program. Okay, how do we create? Yes. Okay, simple one by one I will explain. So hash, this is nothing but declaration. No, this is documentation section. Okay, our first part, what is that? This is our documentation section. This is optional color. Yes. So this is our documentation section. So simply, how do we create a documentation in our C program? Slash star simple program in C. This is our message actually. Okay, this is our just the comment, nothing but. Okay, comment title, nothing but. Okay, comment, or we can call something title. Okay, simple program in C slash star. So this means our documentation section is completed. Next, next one, this is our header files declaration. Okay, now this is our header file declaration. Okay, now nothing but linking section. Header file declaration also called as linking section. So simply hash include stdio.h. This is compulsory. First one is optional, but hash include stdio.h. This means this is a linking section is compulsory for every C program. Okay, now next one main also compulsory. Okay, next one main also compulsory. Open brace in that, what we have to do, we want to create a simple message that is welcome to C program. Okay, printf. Here printf is a statement. Printf is a function. This function is used to print the message on the screen. Okay, then printf. Okay, printf is nothing but used to print the message what we have typed. Okay, so simply main open brace, this is syntax. Main open brace close brace again open brace. Okay, printf is syntax actually. Okay, printf is a function. This function is used to print the message what we have typed. So what is our main objective? We want to create some welcome to C program, right? We want to print some welcome message. Welcome to C program. So simply printf open brace quotation starts. Okay, so double quotation starts. Welcome to C program. Double quotation end. So this brace. Okay, close brace semicolon and then end. Okay, and then so end means close brace. This is a simple program. Okay, I am explaining again. I am explaining again. Listen carefully. So this is our documentation section. Okay, so simply this is optional. This is linking section. This is must for every C program. That is hash include stdio.h. Main is compulsory. Main function is compulsory. Open brace, close brace. Okay, then open brace. Printf is used to print the message what we have typed. Okay, printf is the function. Open brace in double quotation welcome to C program. Okay, double quotation and again close brace. This open brace close brace semicolon end. Okay, this end. So this is the simple C program. How do we execute? Okay, I have already told several steps to to create and execute the program. What are those? Okay, so if we want to create or if we want to execute any C program, we must consist of or we must have Turbo C software. Not only Turbo, okay, Borland C, Turbo, like this, or Edit Place. There are so many softwares are there, but most popular software is Turbo C. We must have implemented. We must have Turbo C. Okay, na? Yes. Then double click double click on Turbo C, that is available on our desktop. Double click on the Turbo C. Whenever we double click on that particular Turbo C, it opens one screen. In that screen we write some program like this. Okay, so మనం ఏమర్థమండి ఆ program, this program. Okay, yes. So simply ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాద్దామండి, సేమ్ ఇదే ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాద్దాం. వాట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ప్రోగ్రామ్? సో సింప్లీ ఐ వాంట్ టు ప్రింట్ వెల్కమ్ టు సి ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకేనా, ఐ వాంట్ టు ప్రింట్ ఏ మెసేజ్ ఆన్ ది స్క్రీన్ దట్ ఈస్ వెల్కమ్ టు సి. సో సో ఏం చేద్దాం, ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ మొత్తం కూడా ఎక్కడ రాద్దాము? దిస్ ఎంటైర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఈస్ written in this entire program is write in turbo c. Okay na? So and then that program must to save program name .c file. That program must to save using something program name, first program whether p. Okay na? p.c, p.c, whatever you name. Okay na? But .c is must. Why? Because .c is must to identify that is a C program. Okay, .c, yes, or we press just F2 button. Okay, then our program is saved. What is our next step? Press Alt plus F9. Okay, press Alt plus F9, that is available in our keyboard. Whenever we press Alt plus F9, our program compilation is start. What is the meaning of compilation? In this compilation, what will be happen? Our programs are checked for errors. If there are any errors, that errors are displayed and then we correct. Okay na? If there is no errors, our output is displayed. Okay na? Our output is displayed. How? By press Control plus F9. Okay, Control plus F9. If we press Control plus F9, then our program is our output. Our program's output is displayed. If not displayed, press Alt plus F5. Then our output screen is displayed. Okay, na? Okay, na? These all are different steps to create and execute our C program. Okay, na? So చూద్దామండి. Okay, na? So let we do step by step. Okay, na? So first we go our desktop. Okay na? We go to our desktop now, where it is. Yes, okay na? Yes, minimize these all things, minimize these all things. This is my desktop. Okay na? Yes, where is my turbo c software? Yes, search. Yeah, yes, this is my turbo c, this is my turbo c. Okay na? So double click on turbo c, it opens one window. Okay na? Yes, it takes some time, maybe because this is the first time. Okay na? So yes, so yes, press file and then new. Okay, yes, this is my new window. So in this, my cursor is waiting. Look, okay na? My cursor is waiting. Yes, center. Okay na? Is this my screen available? Is this my screen available to you? Respond. Is my screen available? Nothing but turbo C plus IDE. Is my screen available? Sahit, available?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay na, look this, okay na. So our first step is double click on turbo C. Okay na, then it opens one window. Okay na, my cursor is waiting. So in that, I am writing some program that is so. Okay na, first program, this is my first program. Okay, now terminate means star, no, star and then slash. Okay na, enter. Okay na? Here one more thing, our C programming language is a purely case sensitive. Okay na? Our C programming language is a purely case sensitive. What is the meaning of case sensitive? What is the meaning of case sensitive? Case sensitive means small letters, capital letters, there is a difference. Okay na? So you must type small letters only. Okay, now you must type small letters only. This is the comment section. This is the comment section, not executed and also not compiled. Okay na? సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏదైనా రాసుకోవచ్చు అండి, క్యాపిటల్ అయినా రాసుకోవచ్చు, స్మాల్ స్మాల్ అయినా రాసుకోవచ్చు, ఎందుకంటే ఇది కంపైల్ అవ్వదు కాబట్టి. నౌ అవర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ విచ్ సెక్షన్? డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ సెక్షన్. ఓకేనా? నౌ అవర్ వేర్ ఈజ్ హ్యాష్? Hash is not available. Yes, okay na. So this is linking section. Hash include stdio.h. Okay na. This is our linking section. Okay na. I already told this linking section is must. This linking section is must for every C program. Now main, okay, main function also must. What is the main syntax? Main, open brace, close brace, and then again open brace. Okay, na? Now I want to print some message. This is my first program. Okay, na? Now printf. Okay, na? Printf, open brace. Okay, na? Quotations. Yes, I want to print welcome to C. Okay, na? Welcome to C program. Yes. Now double quotation end. No, single yes, double quotation end, and then this function also end. Yes. Now terminate. Terminate this main. Okay, na? Yes. Simple program. This is my simple program. So first we have to save this particular program. How? F file save or F2 button save. For example, I want to save this file as p.c. p.c. Okay, na? p.c. Every program must consist of file extension that is c. Okay, na? p.c. Yes. Okay. Now see here, our program is saved p.c. Okay, na? Now what we have to do? Just we compile by clicking alt plus F9. Alt plus F9. Yes. So compiled. What my system says? Okay, na? Yes. Warnings. There is only one warning, but there is no errors. There is no errors. Okay, na? So press any key. Yes. I just enter button. So what is the error? Yes. Warning means we can neglect some warnings. Okay, na? So I am neglecting warning. Okay, na? Leave that. Now I want to execute. How do we execute C program? Again, control plus F9. Okay, na? Control plus F9. Where is that? Yes. Control plus F9. Control plus F9. Now, now control plus F9. And then how to check my output? That is Alt F5. Alt F5. Yes. Welcome to C program. This is my output. Okay, na? Welcome to C program. That is my output. In this way, we can create a simple C program, and also we can execute a simple program. Is there any doubts? Is there any doubts in our operation, these oral operations? Okay, na? If there are any doubts, please ask. Okay, na? So these all steps we have performed. Okay, na? These all steps. Okay, na? So program is created, and then .c extension saved, and then F9 compiled, and then F9 control plus F9 executed, and then alt plus F5 for execution. Okay, na? So this is the steps to execute our program. So this is our simple C program. Okay, na? Yes, this is our simple C program. Now my question to you, how do you print your name? How do you print your name? Tell me. For example, I want to print Sahit. I want to print Sahit. Okay, na? Yes. How do we print? I want to print Sahit. What is the operation? I want to print Sahit message. How do we print? Tell me anyone. Okay, na? This is my output. Welcome to C program. That's right. So in the place of welcome to C program, I want to print Sahit. How do we print? Tell me. Tell me. Simply hash include same, main same, printf. In that print welcome to C program. Okay, na? So This welcome in the place of welcome to C program. So I am just typing, just saw it. Okay, na? Yes, saw it. Now again compile Alt plus F9. Okay, na? Yes, compiled. No errors. No errors. Now Control plus F9. Control plus F9. Yes, and then Alt plus F9. Alt plus F9. No errors. Alt plus F9. Yes, now Alt plus F9. Oh, yes, this one control timeout. My system is hanging. Okay, actually, my system can have some problem. So, what it say? For example, Vivo ID. I am mentioning Vivo ID. Okay, let us discuss this one. Okay, na? Yes. Here, wide is nothing but actually this is not a C environment. This is C++. Okay, na? This is C++ environment. So that's why I am defining wide. Okay, na? So you can define wide in place of wide space main. Now Alt plus F9. Yes, there is no warnings now. Okay, na? There is no warnings. Now, Alt plus F9. What happened? Output is not displayed. Why? Alt plus F9. Save for saving. Save. Compile. No errors. Run. Yes, system is hanged. Okay. So system is hanged and that's why not printing. Okay, na? So simply this is the simple C program. Okay, na? This is our simple C program. Okay, na? We have seen how to create and how to execute this C program. Okay, na? Again, tomorrow we will discuss another topic. Okay, na? Let us check our syllabus once. Yes, okay, na? Simply introduction to C. In that introduction to C, creating and running C program, computer numbering system completed, storing integers complete, storing real numbers completed. Next one, introduction to C program. Background, nothing but history of C completed. C programs, okay, na? C programs. So simply C programs are nothing but simple C program. Okay, na? So here we are. Simply first chapter is completed. Okay, na? First chapter is completed. So we are in second chapter, second topic. Okay, na? So tomorrow's topic is some more examples. Okay, na? Some more examples of C programs. That is our tomorrow's topic. Okay, na? Now you can leave on it. Now you can leave.
Thank you, sir.
Again system handle. Yes, you can leave now. Okay, na?